Hello and welcome back to all of you, my dear friends. In today's video, I am going to share with you how I'm going to be making a brand new raised bed in my garden using 5 gallon buckets. So yes, peeps, the work continues in the garden, or should I say the downsizing continues. It is indeed a lot of work that I am doing over here, and I am not going to stop until I get what I want. You all know me. I am going to get what I want. Yeah. So my peeps, in this video, I won't be doing a lot of talking. I know a few of you have been mentioning that you really do love when I talk in the videos, but sometimes we just cannot do a lot of talking. We just have to take the bulls by the horn and work, and might do a voiceover sometimes, because to be moving the camera from handle to handle to get what you want, it is not an easy task. So I just have to do what I have to do to get the work done. So I have a few things that I need to do in the area that I'm going to be making the raised bed. So yeah, come along with me and let's do this together. I don't know what is wrong with the picture quality of my phone. I have been trying to fix it and it's just not getting any better. I might have to get a new phone. But anyways, my phone battery ran down. I took the phone inside to charge it. And while I was out here doing some work, still, I remembered something that happened a few months ago when I was cutting a barrel in a video. And when I looked at the area where I was working, I'm like, I didn't want to be chastised or attacked for what I was doing. So I made sure that whatever I am doing right now lined up with what I said I was going to do. So let me now flip the camera and show you exactly what I changed. Alright guys, so my mission today was to use 5-gallon buckets to make a raised garden bed. And here is what I did. So initially, I had some crates back there where I had elevated my blueberry plants on them. I'm like, no, I didn't say I was going to use any crates at all. I was going to use 5-gallon buckets. So I took down the crates, and instead of having 5 buckets back there, I now have 6 buckets. And I also have 6 buckets to the front. I think I'm also going to be putting 2 buckets here and 2 buckets up there to complete the raised garden bed. So this is how you can actually use your 5-gallon buckets to make a raised garden bed. You can put them in a circle, you can put them in a square, a triangle. Right now mine is in the shape of a rectangle. All right, so the front ones here, let me see, I have 6 and 4 of them is empty right now because I am going to be planting something in the front ones, like what should I say, maybe some herb veggies, something that have a very short lifespan. And in the back ones, I'm going to be planting maybe some perennial plants. I don't know, maybe some rosemary, ginger, turmeric, something that will take a very long time to produce. I now have a few peppers in there that was supposed to be transplanted and I took them out. In the middle right here, you all, I guess in a future video I will let you know what I'm going to be planting in there. But first I have to get this area all filled up. So right now, you all, in the downsizing of the garden, I am just creating the new areas where I want to grow a certain type of food, because growing forward, I am going to be very, very, very intentional about the things that I will be growing for myself. All right, I am not going to be wasting time planting things that I am not going to eat. Gone are those days. And one of the reasons why I changed this area is because I wanted to have a narrower walkway, so whenever I am going to use the mulch to mulch the area, I would use less mulch. So the more containers I have out in this space, the less mulch I will use in the walkway. So my peeps, that is going to be the end of this video, because I think I did accomplish what I came out to do today. And the next time you come back, I believe that new garden bed is going to be filled up, and then we will all decide what is going to be planted in there. So at this moment, I would like to say a very big thank you to all of you that came back to watch the videos. And for my newest subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome on board. Please do not forget to comment, like, and share. And also remember to hit that post notification bell, so whenever I upload videos, you will definitely be notified. Thanks again for watching, y'all, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye-bye.